Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing loadout and taking the initiative. Equip a heavy single-target weapon and 2 precision mods. This maximizes your first burst. Move to high ground within 20 meters for a clear line of sight because elevation improves hit consistency. Once positioned, open with a disruption ability to strip Commander Niall's defensive buffs. This lowers incoming resistance and makes follow-up damage count. Make sure to sync cooldowns so your main burst lands immediately after the debuff window starts. You now enter the sustained damage phase, where timing beats raw spam. Chain 3 rotations: a focused burst to capitalize on the stripped defenses, a cleave or area attack to control adds, then use your major cooldowns to finish the sequence. This pattern maintains pressure. Rotate your defensive abilities when Niall hits 60% and 30% health to survive incoming spikes. Also, watch for cast bars and interrupt key abilities, while killing adds within 5 seconds to prevent raid-wide disruption and loss of focus. You push for the finish by holding an execute-style ability for the final 10%, because that assures a clean kill window when defenses are lowest. Maintain mobility and be ready to cleanse or dodge targeted mechanics. Moving out of harmful zones prevents wipes. If you encounter repeated failures, reset after 2 attempts and change one variable, reposition, swap an ability, or reassign add priorities. Then try again. This diagnostic approach isolates the problem faster than repeating the same mistakes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.